Hello and welcome back to You Lost a Star's channel. I am You Lost a Star and I'm here to help you if you are lost on the maths to this week's Solar Schematics milestone. Now, it's an interesting one this week because we need war battles and ISO 8 energy, although what does make it very, very frustrating is that actually we don't know how many war fragments we're going to get per attack. So that's something we're going to have to look at in the milestones. So on milestone 13, that is the special item for this month. Looking at some of the later ones, 15 and 16, there's not actually anything that interesting in there. So actually we may not need to push too hard once we got a milestone 14. Let's go and have a look at the spreadsheet. So spreadsheet's here. First thing we do, make a copy. Okay, so now we've got a copy, we can edit this. So let's go into the ISO energy. So first question, does your energy refresh happen at the same time as the event starts? For most people, this should be no, which means you get an extra day of refreshes. So let's start with 230 energy. So with the daily energy, we get about 600 energy per day, plus the 50 from the web store. I'm going to put in that I'm going to be doing 3 energy refreshes a day. That's mainly because I've been sort of saving up the ISO energy refreshes. Then that should cover most of these. I shouldn't have to put too many cores in. So the interesting thing here is how many fragments are we going to get for a normal 12 energy attack? Now my guess is going to be 100. That is a guess, and if it's wrong, then we'll just have to look at the maths again when the event comes out, but I'm guessing 100 for a 12 energy attack, 200 for a 24 attack, although we may find out that actually it's different for the hard campaigns and the normal campaigns. We've done similar things like that before, so we may just have to look at where you're going to get the best bang for your buck with energy for ISO. Next is the war battles. So as long as you're doing 3 wars, 10 attacks each, you're going to hit 30. Talk to your alliance mates, make sure everybody is getting their 30 attacks in. So the next one, as long as you do superior 6, stick them in for 5 battles, or even the whole of them just in 1 battle, you're going to get those points. Now the next one for the superior 6, G17 and G18, I was quite lucky because I've already taken Craven to G18 for Dark Dimension. I'm currently building up Green Goblin Classic, so as long as you have 2 of them for 3 wars, that will get you 5. So as you can see, if you haven't got them for G17 or G18, it's 15,000 for G18 and another 5,000 for G17, so that could be the difference between the event item or not, maybe. We will find out. So next up, Midnight Mayhem. So blitzing. This is worth, I think it's worth 40,000 points if you get all the milestones, and the last milestone is worth 12,000. So whether you like blitz or not, it's worth it. Just get it done. So that's a lot of points. The free claims, I reckon 250. That's what it was last time for a 7-day event. If it's less, may not mean a lot. If it's more, that'd be very good. So bearing in mind that I've put that I'm going to hit all the the war milestones, that could put me on milestone 16. This is a guess because obviously we don't know about the fragments for the energy yet. So say for example someone who hasn't got those points, where would they end up according to this? Will they still get some extra sunspots? But this is also because I've put in lots of energy refreshes for the ISO energy. So this is where we just need to hope that when the event comes out that it is 100. If it's less, then things could definitely be a lot more interesting. So what we're going to have to do is wait till the event comes out, relook at the maths, how many fragments we get per attack. So that is that. So obviously the extreme heat is the web milestone. So lots of blitzing, but the blitz events are always very, very easy to complete. And we still have the 1 hour cooldowns, so whether you like Blitz or not, just get it done. So while this is going on as well, there's also going to be an Allied Engines event, which is an alliance event, 4 days. It's going to be lots of battling and raids. Now, the battling with X-Men at 7 stars and 6 stars should be very easy as long as you've built up Gambit and Cyclops, as long as you farm them. Then as long as you've done that, the 7 stars and 6 stars and 5 yellow stars milestones are going to be very easy to beat. The difficult one could be the actual Extreme X-Men on its own, because that's 156,000 points, particularly if you're doing sort of Incursion 2 and you're still burning up Forge and Sunspot. Actually, you could find yourself, struggling with that one. If you have all 5 Extreme X-Men and you do 1 raid a day, everyone in your alliance does 1 raid a day, that brings you to 98,000 points. So you're going to have to find some more raids somewhere. People, maybe go in, don't attack anybody, lose the battle, go back in. That's your two raids. There's also Greek raids. You're going to have to use your Extreme X-Men on the sides, because they can take X-Men in the battle. So just any way you can, get those Extreme X-Men in. So if you hit all of the raid milestones, that takes you to milestone 16, which gets you a lot of armor, 18 fragments, gold fragments, and some elite 6 and 7 credit. I imagine with the allied orb fragments, that might get you to milestone 17. I don't think they'll give us enough for milestone 18 because that has mega gold orb fragments, and I don't think they're going to be that generous. Anyway, hopefully this helps you, and good luck in the event. And we'll have to have a quick check when the event starts about these fragments. It's very frustrating that we don't know that, but we're just going to have to do what we can with what we're given. Anyway, good luck, and if these videos help you, please subscribe or like. Just lets me know that people actually get something out of this. I'm definitely getting something out of this, so I'm going to keep making them, but it'd be nice to actually know that other people are as well. Anyway, good luck, have a good day.